back, guys and girls, to another episode of Dad's Toy Garage. Today is a good one. We're getting primer on here and on the hood. I'm excited for this. It's gonna be, it's good. It's good to see all that work finally get covered up and actually looking really good. So follow along this time. Let's have some fun with this. I have got the bodywork done on the engine bay. The next thing I need to do is going to be getting primer down on here, epoxy primer. And what I did the other day was I took the leaf blower and I blew out the whole shop. And this little tip Tony gave me works very well to open up the doors and blow that thing out. So the floor is blue again. I've blown it really well clean. I'm going to be painting this with epoxy. The hood with epoxy. First thing I'm going to do is I kind of want to cover some things with plastic in the shop here. So we'll get the plastic down for that. The next thing I need to do is mask the car. I do not want paint on majority of the car, just the engine bay. The underside is actually finished. If you've been following this video for a while, you've seen me finish off the underside. So here's the car in the engine bay. We've got her all blown off with the leaf blower. I need to mask a bit. I got to get under the car, masking these edges in here underneath, plastic it down to the floor. Get in behind the firewall for all these tape holes here, or holes, cover them with tape. Any little bolt holes so we don't get it on our black, and we'll drape some plastic over the top of the car. Got her all masked off. You can see where I taped it along the edges. And I ended up just running plastic underneath, taping it down onto here. So everything should be tight, best I can get it. It's a bit of a process, lots of little details. Hood's gonna get painted over here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is painting pre-prep, some pre-Cleano 900. And that will take the wax and grease, any contaminants off of there so we have a good adhesion and don't get any fish eyes. Got it all wiped down with pre-Cleano. I'm going to give it a quick tack and then we'll get into painting with primer. Alright guys, let's put some primer on this car. thanks again, guys and girls, for stopping by to Dad's Toy Garage. And the progress is great. I'm so happy to have some primer on here. And until next time, we will talk to you later. Stay safe.